Race car parts. End plates are done. So 3mm carbon plate and made some end plates. So one item done. And the biggest update so far, got some parts. So engine cover, rear bumper, most of the metal support for the wing and the rear bumper to hang off of, and new diffuser. So I've got to open this up and see what other parts I need. I know there's a few things I'm missing that I still need to pick up or have sent to me. But the diffuser needs a hole for my air jacks, because not all these cars have air jacks, but mine does. So I'll need to add that into it. And I'll probably do that today. Hopefully I can get these other parts within the next couple days so I can hang the rear bumper and attach all the latches and everything to that, and then fit the engine cover. So a lot to do still, but a little bit of progress, so that's great. All right, let me get to work and I'll update you guys again. Okay, real quick, if anyone was curious on the weight difference of the carbon end plates I made versus the stock ones that come with the car. So scale is zeroed. £1 pound, 0.1 ounce. Set that aside. Not crazy savings, but £1 pound, 7.5. Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video. This is the 2025 box of crap that I messed up by crashing my race car. So let me set you guys down here and we'll open this guy up. So, pretty sure most people will cry if they find out how much money I spent on this tiny, tiny box of radical specific parts. That looks like an exhaust mount. The bubble wrap was free. These are a bunch of grills for the engine cover and for the rear bumper. Non-essential parts. And these I absolutely need. So these are the wing mounts. Those look good. That's the lowers. This is the uppers. And messed those up pretty bad in the crash. So throw those on. And these are supports for the back body work on the car. So these guys are going to sit here and here. What else is in here? Got the heim joints that are also part of that rear body work. Nice. And the Zeus clips for the rear bumper to the engine cover connection. And that is it. Yeah, not too bad. Bit of work to do, so I'm gonna get cracking. Alright, I'll fill you guys in on the next little update I got. Almost forgot about the lights. New tail lights for the car. Yeah, got a lot of work to do.